In this video, I want to show you how to replace your overdrive button. That's this one right here on the end of the shifter. So if you don't want to use your overdrive gear, if you're towing or whatever the case might be, and it doesn't work, well, here's how you replace it. Use a pocket screwdriver or whatever you have that'll fit in here and stick it right in here. Pop off this cap, just like so. Now you can use that same screwdriver or tool, pop off the button. Take the new button and line it up. It has 3 pins here. The 2 that are closer together will go on the bottom, and the best way to line it up is this clear lens here. That's for the light that indicates that your overdrive is off, so it'll light up these letters here. So just line that up like this, push it in all the way. Now take your cap, and the open part of it will go right here where the letters are. Snap it on. And there you go. Now you can test it out.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.